baby doing?
I'm good, as you can see.
I blame myself for what's happened to you.
How?
Because as if we are living like husband and wife, that wouldn't have happened to you.
You don't have to blame yourself for that. I know you're still putting things in order.
Please, marry me.
Wait. Are you doing this because you feel sorry for me about what happened, or you're pitying me? Which one?
I would have done this long ago. Blair, I love and cherish you so much. You're the one that is so compatible to me. I love everything about you. Please marry me. Don't say no.
Oh my God. I'm so excited.
Then, marry me.
Yes! Oh. Thank you so much. I love you so much.
I love you too. You know, when you recover, we're gonna have a dinner, then make it official.
How are you?
I'm good. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Since you're coming back from somewhere.
Exactly. I just took a stroll, you know. But the rain couldn't allow me. I had to run back home.
Okay.
Yes.
Is your wife around?
Actually, no. But all is well.
Okay.
Yeah, I hope no problem though.
You remember that incident that occurred there, fam?
Yes.
I've remembered how it happened.
Really? Come on, tell me. That's good news. That sounds good.
It was your wife. I had a little misunderstanding with her. She pushed me and I hit the back of my head against the wall. So I blanked out.
You mean my wife did that to you? Oh my goodness. I have warned this lady about This is a terrible attitude.
Calm down. You don't need to get worked up about that. I've forgiven her. It's nothing. Yes.
You've forgiven her?
Yes, I've forgiven her.
No, Blair, let me clear this. Are you sure you've forgiven my wife?
I've forgiven her. I understood what she did. She did that out of pure jealousy. She was only trying to protect her home.
I don't know why my spirit is always accepting your personality. Can you imagine? After all, I bet my wife can't do this to you. She can never forgive if it were her. I'm so happy for you.
By the way, the happening thing here is that Blair is so happy. Guess why I am so happy?
Please tell me.
Yes.
No, I'm not good at that.
Alex, my fiancé, has proposed,
and
I have accepted to marry him.
Oh.
We are going out for dinner.
Oh, that's interesting. No, I don't do everyone. Let's do another ring. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I don't have everything.
Alright. What's up, man?
I'm good. Congratulations.
Thank you. I should be saying thank you to you for what you did for her.
No. Those are things I just forgotten.
I appreciate it.
No, just good.
We are late for our dinner.
Okay.
I will see you soon.
Alright, then take care of yourself, right?
You fucking outside.
Okay, easy. Okay. I wish I could give you an umbrella. Sorry. Join us. No problem.
We are toasting
Yeah.
to end of nightmare, to end of unnecessary questioning, and most especially to end of someone leaving his wife and flirting with fair ladies.
That's so intelligent of you.
Yes.
But there's one more thing
What's that?
to toast. Let's toast for end of slapping fair ladies, end of anger and unnecessary jealousy. And above all, we are toasting for long life, and prosperity,
And peace in our home. Please slam the music. I feel like dancing. I cannot sleep well. Okay.
Hey, let's go in the bedroom. No.
Original dancer. Why you not best man? Baby, one is loaded. Just wanna spend it on you. Just wanna pump it on you. My baby. It's a Friday night. This girl me no feel alright. Me no push. Me no take a high. You don't think this girl me no feel alright. It's a Friday night. You don't think this girl me no feel alright. Me no push. Me no take a high.
Cool, me no bad man cheesy. I don't say me no send anybody. Cool, say me the rose back crazy. They just say me no fear anybody. Sexy girl, she want make me feel alright. Say this girl, she want turn up the light. I got the power and I got all the might. So me turn up the stage and me turn up all night. Who be the bear where they wine like a maga? Say bad man to ask them, so who born their bad maga? So me tell her say their mother and your father be the maga. So me tell her say their mother and your father be the maga.
Cool, it's a Friday night. You don't think this girl me no feel alright. Me no push, me no take a high. You don't think this girl me no feel alright. Cool, it's a Friday night. You don't think this girl me no feel alright. Me no push, me no take a high.
When that thing me, they make me feel alright. Take this girl, she the bust up my mind. That the girl, she won't turn on the light, yeah. She won't turn on the light, yeah. On the low key, shake that thing on the low key. Now you they drive me crazy. The back I gone crazy. Check out that water bum bum. See this girl, she a little dum dum. Why am biting on the chop up? Chop up.
That is the edict.
Jenny, thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
But please, I want you to do me a favor.
What could that be?
Do not let Blair know about this incident.
Why? You're not doing anything wrong. You're only looking out for her.
Oh, she might not understand. She might think I'm spying on her. Thank you.
Pope. Who is that? Come in.
Madam Serena.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Please sit.
Thank you.
You're looking good.
Thank you. There's something I want us to talk about. It's very important.
What could that be?
I want you to be my marriage event planner.
Me?
Yes.
Is your fiancé aware of this?
He has no problem with that.
Are you sure?
Of course. Why are you asking all these questions?
Because I know he doesn't like my husband and I.
Who told you that? Don't say that. He likes both of you.
He said that to you?
My husband to be, he likes both of you. The only thing I need from you is to accept my offer.
Okay. I will have to discuss it with my husband when he comes back. And then I'll give you feedback.
That's great.
That's, by the way, forgive my manners. What do I offer you?
No, don't bother. I'm actually coming back from work and I decided to stop by and share this with you. Let me quickly go and freshen up. Okay. I'll see you later.
Wow. Happy for you.
Bye.
Take care.
So, baby,
Yes.
is there anything you want to tell me or discuss with me? Anything you want to share with me at all?
No. I don't. Something like what?
Anything at all? Anything?
Okay, but I don't think it's too serious. Just forget about it.
I'll care to know about it.
You know, these street boys, they saw me coming back from work with Jenny, and I still ran into that boy today. He asked me to be his friend, and I turned him down. That is all. Like I told you, it's nothing. It's not serious.
See, I want you to be safe. I don't want anything to happen to you. Not again.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Do you by any chance know this boy's name?
Yes. I can remember. He told me his name that day. He said his name is Shan. Yes, Shan.
Are you sure he's not the one behind what happened to you?
I don't know. I didn't see the face of the person that hits me from behind.
I'm suspecting that boy.
He is not the only one. He has a friend. But like I told you, please, let's leave this behind us.
No. You know why? if nothing is done, it might happen again.
No, nothing will happen again. Meanwhile, we have no evidence against anybody. Please, let's let the sleeping dog lie. He will never come back to me again because I told him that my fiancé is a detective.
If it happens again, that boy will see the other side of me. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here because of my fiancée.
How is she doing?
Oh, she's fine. I want to know if there's anything I need to know.
I believe I've told you everything you need to know, detective.
I'm still investigating on her matter. Let me ask. I want to know if a guy kidnaps a girl without demanding for ransom. I want to know, can he hit her to blank without taking advantage of her?
Detective, I know where you're going. Like I told you, she was not raped.
What is going on?
Detective Alex, are you sure she was kidnapped by a guy? Have you thought about that?
You.
Do you know that Alex thought that I actually knew what happened to me?
Why? Why would he think that way?
I don't know. I pleaded with Alex severally to stop digging that case. That the most important thing is that I'm alive. He refused.
Maybe that's the reason why he's thinking like that.
If that is the reason, then there is no trust. He doesn't trust me.
Iwe, but you know your fiancé. He can be stubborn at times.
That stubbornness will make this marriage not to work.
Don't talk like that. Don't allow anger to spoil things for you.
Anger is not spoiling anything for me. Rather, Alex is.
Baby, you know men. You're talking as if you don't know men. They always want to show that they are the captain.
What do I do? What do I do? This is a little pretty kettle of fish here.
Sweetheart, listen. No matter what, no matter how difficult the situation is, don't allow it to sweep away your marriage with Alex, please. Please. down. Everything will be fine. Just believe that.
Can I believe what I don't think?
Just calm down, okay? Just relax your mind.
Blair was here today.
Why? Is it because of the same issue?
Oh, she said her fiance is digging the case and he's equally suspecting her.
Suspecting her? Why?
She said he knows everything that happened to her. And seriously, if he keeps digging that case, I'm afraid, Charles.
And what is Blair doing about it? Will she just sit there and watch this man drag us back to a nightmare?
No, she's trying. She has even told him to drop the case. That the most important thing is she is alive. But he refused.
Something needs to be done. I think Blair needs to threaten him.
Threaten him?
Yes.
How? With what?
Blair should tell him to quit the investigation. Else, she will not continue the marriage plans with him.
There's something I heard about Blair. Who is Blair? That beautiful, fair girl that stays in the same compound with Ogachas.
Oh, the fair one. What about her?
I heard she was raped.
Raped?
When and how? Did you hear about her disappearance?
Of course.
That was the same time she was raped.
Hey. This is just a sad news. Please tell no one about this. Because it will only tarnish her image.
Well, I don't intend to tell anyone. It's an ugly news, so I don't have to any reason to tell anyone. By the way, I just have to run along. I have some tidings to do in my shop. Okay. Maybe we'll see you next time.
No problem.
Okay.
No problem.
Thank you.
Nice meeting
Oh boy?
Sir.
Where are you heading to?
To the office, sir.
Okay.
To the office, sir.
Okay. Enter, let me drop you off.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Whoa. How are you?
Thank God. But there is something awful I heard.
Something awful. What is it?
It's about your fiancé.
Blair.
Exactly.
What happened to Blair?
I don't think it's true.
My friend, what is that?
I heard that she was raped.
Where did you get that from?
Some guy in our street. That's why I say that maybe it's not true.
Blair, please, you need to take it easy, okay?
I am confused. I don't even know what to do.
If I may ask, how much do you think he loves you?
I don't know about that, but all I know is that he loves me very much.
In that case, I think you should threaten him. Threaten him to know if he will stop.
Threaten him with what?
It's simple. Just tell him you're not interested in the marriage again. Except he has to stop investigating the matter.
Alex is a very stubborn man. I don't think that will work.
Come on. Give it a try. Try it first.
God. Why is all this happening to me? Why is all this happening to me?
Blair, calm down, okay? All these things will soon be over.
How soon? When will all this be over? Now I'm trying to settle down and all these problems are coming from nowhere.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Do you know why I asked you to come here?
No, sir.
I called you here because I want to get to the roots of what you told me in the morning. Can I know him?
Like I said in the morning, this guy lives in the street.
This guy in question, where does he stay?
Sir, if I may advise you, I will say to forget about this. Why? Because I have told this boy not to disclose this to anybody. If I take you to that place now, I think it will make him not to confide in me again.
I want to know where he stays, what he does, and a lot of things about him.
He lives in the same street with me, and he has a small shop in our street. The first shop by the right.
This guy we're talking about, how strong is his relationship with Blair?
Blair lives the same street with us as well. You know, but the guy normally goes to the compound once in a while.
To do what, if I may ask?
Mrs. Kinsley's cleaner. I think it's a friend.
What's this guy's name in question?
Suleiman.
Yeah. Okay. It's okay. Thank you very much, Officer Ikechi.
Always welcome.
Take the
Mohammed! Come on, bring these things out now. So this is the way you behave. When I want to settle you now, I will put provisions in your shop. I'll just rent the shop for you and you can finish it up. Share macaroni is still remaining, right?
There's macaroni.
That Vaseline remain.
No, only two. Yeah, only two.
Oh, that means we'll go buy Vaseline.
Good morning.
Customer, morning.
I want to buy pad.
Oh, pad.
Go. How are you there?
I'm fine. I said pad, always pad.
Mohammed.
What is the meaning of this?
Mohammed. Wait. You mean this one's one?
Yes, pad.
What is your own started version?
Is that a question of what?
Sorry.
Give me.
You know, this is normally the month for women. He rush anyhow. This is now waste of menstruation. Now waste of menstruation. Menstruation, see person where you go do now. This one where you go to train.
Well done. Please, do you have a radio battery?
Original one.
This big one.
Mohammed.
I don't finish.
All those about remember.
Okay, Suleiman, where will I get it?
You know my name.
Of course I know your name. Who doesn't know your name in this area? You're so popular.
Okay, just go down. Just go down, you go get her.
Okay, please. If you don't mind, can I ask you something?
Make I come.
Beg
come.
This your area is too busy. It's too crowded and
Oh. No minus. The Commissioner for Youth and Sports. In-house, they down there, so people, they always...
Okay.
Even they help mad people.
I'm sorry. There's this lady I'm looking for. You know, she's fresh, she's fine, very beautiful. You know, the first time I packed into this area, you know, I saw her and she was so attractive to me. I don't know how to see her. You know, I need to know this girl before I approach her.
How the girl be? What's in there?
The last time I came to these streets and I asked someone, the person said that her name is Pleas. Do you know her?
I know her, but I don't fit tell you anything about her because as in this world, no good again. Kagani.
Come on. I'm not a bad person. I just want to know this person before I approach her. Nothing else.
They right best person for phone. I be the carry complimentary card.
I know say they only right time, but I have my reasons.
What be your reason?
You know, I'm of age to get married, and my parents are on my neck to get married today, tomorrow. Alex, you must get married.
Why?
You just get married. Because I need to know this girl before I get married.
Why now?
Because I would love to see her, then talk with her, approach her normally, then know how to handle with her.
See, I will tell you the truth, though. Pleas is a very good person.
Oh. For real?
Another Semuka. A very good girl. Just that some people want to spoil her name.
Why would people want to spoil her name? What did she do?
My brother, I don't know.
Please tell me what happened. What?
See, you're a total stranger. I cannot tell you anything. I don't even know you. See, if na battery one by, just follow this road. Okay. You go see Gova 3. Okay. You go your left. If you go straight, you go see where Pankane 3 day. Okay. Take your right. Okay. You go see one Gova 3.
But you say you don't know. It's okay. Let me continue.
You see a yard with white gates. Enter inside. You see the backyard has black gates. You go out from there. Anywhere you see yourself, you take. Mama. Enter the shop. After shop, check on top of that carton.
Baby, why are you like this? Why not talking to me? You know I don't like it when you kept mute to me. Sweetheart, please talk to me.
Nothing.
You can't say nothing when you actually know that something has kept you in this mood.
Alex.
Yeah?
Do you want to know or you care to know?
I really care to know.
Why are you tormenting me?
Me?
How? I begged you severally to drop this case of missing Blair. That you are hurting me with it. What did you do? You refused. Why?
Blair, I love you. And I want no secret between us.
What secret? Alex, what secret? As far as I'm concerned, there is no secret here unless there is something you want to tell me.
If there is no secret, then why did you ask me not to investigate the case?
I don't want you to investigate this matter. The more you are going around asking questions about this matter, you are denting my name. You are denting my name. Alex, if you really love me, like you said, please, I beg you, die this matter. Please.
Okay. I'll try and convince my spirit to stop investigating this matter.
What? You will do what?
I'll see you later.
Alex. Hey! This man is so mean. Why is he a difficult being? Huh? I have to do something. Alex. He doesn't want to listen to me.
Please, Suleiman, what I'm asking of you is very important to me. Please.
Tell me, how will you feel if someone sells you out?
You're not selling anyone out. You're helping someone to bring two people together.
Then you have to promise me that anything we discuss or I say to you, you must hold it to yourself.
Of course I will.
Karanse, do you swear to that?
Karanse.
Okay, fine. I heard she was kidnapped and raped.
Raped?
Yes. But I don't believe that.
Why didn't you believe?
Because of the source it came from. Hey, my brother Afana.
I did.
What you want buy?
Nothing, I'm okay.
Yeah. So what did happen around you now?
Nothing much. But you get one story where you about one year for this in the street.
I'll come and okay, just keep him inside. Keep the carton, keep him inside, but stay inside. Which year come be that one?
You know that year we passed that day here. We fine. When you talk something.
What be that when I talk about?
You talk say why they kidnap him.
Oh, Blair.
Yeah, okay, hand me that.
What happen when they talk like this?
Donkey. When I look for that girl, make I toast her, but she dey form big girl for me.
But she's a big girl.
Am I not a big boy?
Okay, come to think of it, you don't even know her name. How did you find out that she was raped?
Now only when they for this time. When the news they fly for up, now say I take catch them, come to one to you. So
Mohammed, come. In the horse, ba?
In the horse.
Calculator.
I'm buy cigar 100 naira yesterday. Come buy 2 cup of beans. That is 120.
Live and there, just go. You hold the money there, but you give me.
I'll give you money later. The rest is never mature. It's never mature. I will show you love later. And I will.
Okay, now later, man.
Later, don't.
Well, that was the second time I saw him.
Do you know his name?
What, Mr. Stranger?
In case if you see him on the way, you can give me a call. I mean Shane.
What for?
Just to know how he looks like.
Just that?
Just that. Let me give you my number.
Mohammed! Bring book and paper for me. Be fast. attend to him. Just go and attend to Papa inside. At least, what is your name? Or would you rather prefer I call you Mr. Stranger all the time?
Which one do you prefer, Mr. Suleiman?
But the best thing you can do for me, at least you tell me your name so that I will know if I'm speaking to a human being or a ghost.
Okay, my name is there. You're just funny.
Oh, Alex.
Yes.
It's nice. It's nice.
You know what? You speak very well. And I don't know why you are here wasting your brain.
Oh, okay. Mr. Alex. The thing is that I don't have a job because I don't have anybody in the government house. So I choose to have this small shop running to keep myself busy and also at least help in feeding myself.
It's okay. God will bring a job, a wonderful job on your way.
Inshallah.
Soon, okay?
Inshallah.
I'll be coming time to time to see you.
No problem.
Yeah. No problem. Take care. Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure. The pleasure is mine. Hey, Mohammed. Take this book back.
I dey hear government work. In case if you want shut down the shop, just give me tax collector, then collect the receipt. If I dey collect tax, you go dey collect the receipt or they give receipt, something, understand? Something like that. So that I can be also useful to myself because this shop is getting more older.
Mohammed. If motor stopping your father's compound in the village, can you recognize your father's compound?
Not very well, sir.
You are not sure? That means I have to take you back to the village. Prepare, you are going back to the village. ABC, first bus tomorrow morning, you are going back to the village. Come, get inside. Yeah, I could have said you are stupid, but I know your father. Giving you government work is just wasting government.
Detective Alex, I don't understand. What is really going on?
There's a rumor going on in the streets where Pleas stays that she was raped. So I came to ask again to know if you're lying to me.
Why should I lie to you? Your fiancée Blair was not raped.
Doctor, I am sorry. You have every reason to lie to me. Maybe she asked you to do so. Just protect her image.
Yes, you're right. I'm protecting her image. But there was no trace of rape in your fiance's case. You're welcome.
Yes, I'm at home. You're what? Okay. Okay. There's no problem. I'll be waiting for you. Okay. See you later.
Hey.
Hey. Welcome.
Thanks. Yeah, thank you.
What will I offer you?
Oh, nothing. Nothing. Thank you very much. You're being very cold towards me these days. Not even a hug.
Nothing.
Okay. Please, there's a question I want to ask you about something. Don't be offended and don't misunderstand me.
Okay, there is no problem. Ask your question. I will answer it if I can.
Okay. You were telling me something about one guy that was asking...
Yes, I remember.
Okay, please, tell me his name.
His name is Shan.
Shan?
Yes.
Oh.
More questions?
Oh, no, thank you, dear. I'm good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'll see you later.
Okay. When you go, I'll close my door. Go ahead with your investigations. Blair will be right here waiting for you, Mr. Detective.
Boy, how are you?
Where you, Oga?
Well, sure.
Too late. Alex, how you doing now? I'm fine.
You get a radio battery?
No. I don't have, but I think I will direct you to where you will buy it. My man, I beg, no vex, make I attend to them. I'll go back to you. No problem, I'm not. Okay. Mohammed, give him.
I like to go inside there.
You don't get my time.
You see the whole also.
Alex,
yeah?
Just follow this address. You will buy the battery. Okay. Follow it straight. You.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Oh.
Let's get the whole lot of things.
I know my matter. I know the whole. If I hold you, I dey pay.
I don't say the bill. I don't mind you.
You walk on the phone my hand for where people there.
People know this.
Now for you.
I beg, remember the money. I beg.
I go give you money now.
No, I go give you. I show you the talk. I show you the talk yesterday. Day first day. Go give money.
Officer Ketchu. Come to that street. Since I left the shop, since 5 hours now, I've been standing here. It's been raining. Okay. Come fast, please. Oh, you're near. Okay.
This afternoon, I see the battery, see the fine.
Yes,
you don't come, you don't go.
I've been standing here since that time. Oh. Yes, so
How you doing now?
I did good.
Hi. Say that your name is Shane.
I think you know my name is Shane.
Who doesn't know you in this area? You're popular now, very popular.
No, it's Morty. This is why you know me by my name. You must have heard my Scott. Who you be, man?
Oh, my name is Alex. Alex.
Yeah.
Shane. Yeah, man. You're ready for this area, they hear your name.
Of course, man. You be Shane. You won't carry me joke for this time.
No,
if you mess up, I go treat you well.
Shane. You know, I just pack into this town, you know, into this area. I say make I know what's in the happen. And it's good that I know someone like you. Shane. Popular Shane. You understand? Shane, you get this girl where I know. I will look for person when me and we put them together. Deal with this girl.
Who did I get there?
One fair girl. Blake. Does that name ring bell to you?
What is mostly I know that you need to talk about it.
One fair girl that is plumping.
I mean, what did this girl do? You want to destroy her career like this?
I want to destroy that girl. I want to destroy that girl. That girl has been messing me up. I've been trying to talk to this girl. I've been trying to date her. I've been making advances to her. This girl doesn't floor me. You mean they floor me anyhow? You know, as if her part is not in the market.
No business.
You understand? So I just want to destroy her. And I know she must have done such to you before.
Of course. Nah, this girl don't show me pepper for this time.
Yeah, I don't do you too.
No, only her they give me headache for this time, so as in the deal. Now only her. If not the man, now maybe share. But let me tell you, let me tell you, this girl, I go deal with them. I don't deal with them already. So don't try to deal with them. I don't scatter them already.
You mean Blake?
You won't carry me joke. I tell you, see, I say the kidnapper. Nah, I can carry the story, say the rapper. Ooh, they spray him all over the town now. Nah, man, if I give him a man go transfer to man.
I heard something like that too.
I mean,
are you this pretty?
You won't carry me, Jay. Now me share now.
Share. You know, so I hear that thing. I say yes. Who must have done this? Did it well?
Of course.
When I be spray, the news say they rape him.
All over the town.
Yeah, you be correct, man. Now you can't person they find now. I'm waiting.
You already there.
That girl, you go deal with her.
Very well now.
You finish her for this time.
You want to carry me?
Nah, but now one for you. This is too much, but now one for you. You don't even tell me say, or you don't want to tell me say you follow kidnapper.
I mean, if I don't do see, even though if I'm given opportunity to do if I catch nah, Soko, you won't carry me, Joe. My boss, now you won't carry me, Joe, for this time. Let me share. I'm not going to begin the go.
Okay, don't go. You ran too much.
Nah, this may not add weight to it. Make a waste more, huh? What happened?
You're under arrest.
For what, man?
And anything or so is against you in the court of law.
This is not our agreement now. You told me that this girl did something evil to you. What have I done, man? What have I done?
Silly.
Hello there. How are you?
I'm good.
You know I love you so much.
I love you, baby. You're giving me so much hope to live in this world.
And it took me time to find someone like you. And I would love to be with you and our children for the rest of our lives. You know what I'm thinking right now?
I didn't know. Tell me what you're thinking.
How many children would you want to have for me?
Tell me. How many children do you want?
I think 30 will be fine.
Oh my God. Me? 30 children. Are you okay?
I love you so much.
Do you know, I'm actually missing you so much. This call is as if you're around me, your hair, I'm seeing you everywhere, feeling your presence here and there. Yes.
And that was how she left. Okay. But she will soon be back. Like, give or take. You know how terrible traffic.
Yes, yes.
So we are going to. I'm expecting her.
Okay.
Yeah. So how about Alex, your fiance?
That one? I don't know. Maybe he's still moving around, doing his investigations. When he's done, I'll be waiting for him. That is when I will give him my package.
Surprise. Oh, Alex! Talk of the devil. You're here.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh, man.
What's up?
You're welcome, bro.
How you
How's
doing?
it? I'm good. I'm good. Good.
What are you doing here?
I came for you.
You came for me?
Yeah.
How do you know that I'm here?
It's your neighbor, Mr. Kingsley. He told me he saw you walking in here.
Oh, I see.
Please, if you don't mind, can we go to your apartment?
I mind. Anything you want to say, you're free to say it here because I now see Mr. Charles' family as my family.
No, I want to talk to you in private.
I can't withstand your questioning, so please do question me here because that is the only thing you do these days.
Blair, could you just give him a moment?
I can't, I'm sorry, because I cannot withstand his questioning alone, so he should question me here.
Well, I understand, Blair. Mr. Alex, I guess you should
do away with all these questioning and interrogations, you know? And plan ahead with Blair. I guess you guys want to get married.
I cannot.
I don't get it. Why?
Because I want to clear my conscience.
What is it again you want?
I think there's something she's hiding from me.
Oh, I see. I know that you're quite so inquisitive to know everything, right? You want to know?
Whatever it is, I will let you know. So that you stop terrorizing this lady. Tell me, what are your questions? Because Blair did nothing wrong.
What are you saying?
What I am saying is that Blair and my wife had a problem. On the process, she was pushed down and she knocked off her head. What else? Of course, I believe she went into coma. But the problem is that she was in my house without my notice. When I realized that she was in my house, we tried together with my wife to revive her, then rushed her to the hospital. What else do you want to know, Mr. Alex?
I know both of you were lying to me. When you told me you saw Blair lying at her doorstep, the day you came back. But I want to clear what I saw and give Blair the chance to recover, to tell me the truth. But to my greatest surprise, she still told me the same thing you said. wasn't following you. Just went to Blair's apartment to look for something. When you told me that Blair was supporting you, I knew something was going on.
Alex, now that you've dug up this, what are you going to do?
Alright, just get me arrested. I can stand for my family. We know the right to you. Claire.
No. This is my case. And you've not done anything to me or your wife. I've not pressed any charges against both of you. And to you, Alex, I pleaded with you. I cried. I looked into your eyeballs to stop investigating this matter. What did you do? She refused. You refused. Now, it's my own turn to give you my own surprise package.
All that I was doing it for you. All for you.
What I'm saying is that all you did was for yourself. Because you are too proud. You don't listen to people. I even apologized to you. I cried. I looked into your eyeballs. I asked you severally to drop this case. You refused. Oh my God. Alex. Alex. Do you know what? This whole marriage plan of a thing will not work. I cannot marry you. No.
Blair.
Please. Mr. Charles. You don't know what I've been going through. You don't know what I've been going through. He stopped caring for me. He stopped doing the things he normally does for me. He chose to investigate me. Take. You don't want? This is your ring.
Come to think of it, she must have made up her mind. Smart one. Thanks goodness. I would have been a dead man.
Blair, what has come over you? Huh? What has come over you, Blair?
What you did was against me. Against our relationship. I pleaded with you to drop this investigation that no one sent to, but you refused. The so-called investigation that no one sent you has cost me my name in this estate.
Blair, your name is still the same.
It's not true. I followed you right from Avisikechku to Suleiman to Shell. But what? You've proved to me that you are a difficult man and I cannot live with such a person.
But
there is no need to be sorry here, please. It's too late to turn back now. Leave my house.
Yeah.
Please go!
call the security. Go!
I'm sorry, please.
I don't want to see your face again. I don't want to hear your voice again. Go!
Blair, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. Oh? Blair.
Go away, please. I don't want to hear your voice. I don't want to see you again.
Blair, I'm sorry, please. Don't allow the devil to come between us.
There is no devil here. You dragged us into this thing we are facing now. Go! Go! Go away! Go! Go, I don't want to see you. Go, go, I don't want to see you.
Babe, why are you talking like this? Why are you taking such decision in a haste?
Please, the decision was not taken in a haste. I warned Alex severally, but he chose the path he needs. He has actually traded our marriage with his investigation, okay?
Oh, babe, he has not done any harm here.
Jenny, don't make me look like the devil here. Do you know how many times I pleaded with Alex, looking at him eyeball to eyeball? What did he do? He chose his investigations over me. What does that show?
But babe,
please, 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 stop disturbing me with this Alex of a thing and let me be. It has not been easy on me. Don't have smile. My smile has disappeared.
I'm sorry now. I
can't just manufacture smile.
For your friend.
But why must she leave me? Why? What is my wrong?
Sir, you have to take it easy. Yes.
Everything I did was for her. Everything. Why can't she understand?
Maybe she's pulling your legs.
No, she's not pulling my legs. Because the fire I saw in her eyes that very day, I've never seen it.
I believe that you can convince her.
How? But there is one thing I know about her.
But you can at least convince, at least try.
I need your help.
On what, if I may ask?
Blair actually meant what she said that day in this house.
No. I believe she was joking.
Oh, she wasn't joking. She meant all that she said that day. And I've been trying to win her over, but to no avail.
But I thought she said that out of anger. So what are you going to do now?
The funniest part is that she no longer listens to me.
Okay. No problem. I will help you talk to her.
You do that? I will appreciate that so much. I will.
There's no problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I will take my leave now.
Okay.
I can't wait to say I do on the altar with you. Look at you, look at you, look at how you're blushing.
You know, when a man is with you and is smiling rather than blushing, then that man doesn't know anything. You're something else in my life. You changed my life. You've transformed my life. With you in my life, huh? Ah, God. I'm so happy.
Oh.
I'm so happy.
Love you too.
I love you so much.
Love you so Yes, who is that? Come in. Come in! Hi. Please.
Thank you very much.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
What can I offer you?
Nothing. Don't worry, okay? Blair.
Yes.
There's something very important I want us to discuss.
Okay.
Please don't be offended. It's about Alex. Please, Blair. In any way he might have wronged you, I want you to forgive him. Both of you will make a great couple. So please, forgive him and move on with your relationship. Please.
Madam Serena, I really appreciate your concern, but I can't bear to live with Alex as a husband.
Why?
Alex, he has a very strong heart, and I don't need such a man in my life. I pleaded with Alex to let go this investigation of missing Blair and all that. He strongly refused me. I am not saying a man shouldn't be a man, but there should be a soft touch in his life when Pleas is being applied in something, in some demands.
Don't talk like that again, okay? Just stop. Just forgive him and move on with your relationship, please. We're humans. We're bound to make mistakes. Please, I beg you in the name of God, forgive him, please.
I cannot. I cannot be with Alex. I can't. It's difficult, but I can't. I can't.
I've heard what you said, but I'm still pleading. Just try. Any way you can.
Hello? Am I speaking with Chibike Okenye? Okay, I'm speaking with the right person then. Somebody sent me your number and told me that you are an agent. Okay. Actually, I need an apartment. Yes. Around Udenwa Estate. Yes. Okay. It's alright. It's alright. Please help me. I'll be very, very grateful. Yes. I really need to leave this place. I need to live here. Okay. Take care. Thank you. Bye. Alright. Yes. At least if I leave this environment, it will really help me to bounce back, to come back to my normal self. Yes.